Luna Classic has been one of the most successful crypto projects of 2022, and if you want to become a millionaire by 2025, Luna Classic should be your first choice. So if you want to know whether Tera Luna Classic will hit $1 by 2025, let me walk you through the maths. In this video, we will share why and how Luna Classic will make you a millionaire by 2025, so make sure to watch the full video and don't miss out on the fun. You're watching Crypto University, where you get all the latest content about crypto, NFTs, and the blockchain. Make sure to watch the full video and like it if you want to see more of this content. A quick note, we'll never ask you for your number or personal information, and we'll certainly not contact you on WhatsApp, so please be aware of the scam and the spam comments in the comment section. Firstly, we need to get a complete understanding of what is Tera Luna Classic. Tera Luna Classic is a digital asset that was created to provide an easier and a more secure way to store value. It's based on the blockchain technology, which is what makes it so secure. You may be wondering why we need another digital asset when there is already so many out there. The answer is simple. Tera Luna Classic was created with the user in mind. We wanted to create a platform that was easy to use and accessible to everyone. Tera Luna Classic is fast, reliable, and secure, making it the perfect choice for those looking for a digital asset that they can trust. Now, time for some maths on why Tera Luna Classic will hit $1 by 2025. The future of Tera Luna Classic is looking very bright. In fact, there's a good chance that it will hit $1 by 2025, and here's why. The current price of the Tera Luna Classic is $0.00031. The total supply is $6.9 trillion, and with a volume of $1.2 billion, and the market cap is around $2 billion. Now, the first factor is burning it. Technically, if we see more and more volume, it means it burns at a high rate. Now, if we calculate the current values, let's say the price is $0.00032 and the volume is $1.2 billion with a total supply of $6.9 trillion. Now, we take the volume in a day that is $1.2 billion and multiply it by 1.2%, which gives us the amount that we are burning $14 million. And now we divide it by the current price of Luna and we get the value of burning per day, which is $4 billion. And if we multiply that by 30, we get 1.3 trillion that we can burn off in a month. Now, if we divide this burn per month by the total value, we get 5 months. By this calculation, we can easily predict that in the near future, Tera Luna has the potential of hitting $1. All of these factors are working together to create a bright future for Tera Luna Classic. So if you're thinking about investing in Tera Luna Classic, now is the time to do it. You must be wondering, what is the market trend for Tera Luna Classic? As you can see, the market trend is steadily increasing. The value of Tera Luna Classic has increased by more than 20% in the past year, and it's expected to hit $1 by 2025. But there are other few factors that could affect this estimate. For example, if there's a global recession or if a renewable energy source is discovered, the value of Tera Luna Classic could drop. However, barring any unforeseen circumstances, we predict that the value of Tera Luna Classic will continue to increase in the coming years. After all that, we should know the benefits and risks of Tera Luna Classic. Tera Luna Classic is a great product and it has a lot of benefits, but like anything, there is also risks involved. Let's take a look at both the good and the bad. On the good side, Tera Luna Classic is made with all the natural ingredients, it's sustainable, and it's non-toxic. It's also a fair trade, so you can feel good about supporting ethical practices. But there are also risks involved. For one thing, Tera Luna Classic is a new product, so there's always the chance that it could have unforeseen side effects. And secondly, it costs more than the other products on the market. But you should know that Tera Luna Classic has lots of potential because it's very efficient as a cryptocurrency. You may be wondering what makes it so efficient, and it all comes down to the way the team has designed the blockchain. First of all, Tera Luna Classic can handle a high volume of transactions with a market capacity of 2 billion, which is great for merchants who want to use it as a payment system. And secondly, the fees are very low, which makes it more economical for people to use. Combine these two factors with the fact that Tera Luna Classic is well known and has a solid reputation, and you can see why it's such a great investment opportunity. After all this, we can see the Tera Luna Classic price prediction for 2025. Tera Luna Classic has the potential to reach more than $1 by 2025. The price of the token is currently at $0.00032. With a total market cap of $2 billion, it has plenty of room to grow. What's more, Tera Luna Classic is a utility token that's used to power the Tera Luna ecosystem. This means that as the platform grows, so too will the demand for Tera Luna tokens. There is no doubt that the Tera Luna Classic is on the rise. The brand has already made a name for itself, and with its focus on quality and affordability, there's no stopping it. By 2025, we predict that Tera Luna Classic will hit the $1 mark. So what are you waiting for? Get on board and be a part of the Tera Luna Classic legacy. Let me know your thoughts on this in the comment section, and do come back for more of these informative videos. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and come back for more videos like this one.